this is collaborative research between TU Dublin, Connolly Hospital, Blanchardstown and Imperial College London. So as a bit of background, asthma affects 1 in 10 adults, it's 1 in 5 children, and it is has the fourth highest prevalence in the world. 1 person dies in Ireland every week from asthma. So it has a significant impact on the healthcare system in Ireland, and it actually costs in excess of 500 million euros to fund. So it has actually been established that the microbiome, or the diversity of microbes in the lung, is actually associated with the heterogeneity of asthma. So one of the gaps in the knowledge there is actually profiling or phenotyping patients with asthma. So in collaboration with Imperial College London, we set about designing a protocol to actually profile patients. I performed multiple lung function tests, diagnostic tests on patients. Preliminary data is shown here today on 48 subjects. And I was able to significantly profile phenotypes for normal patients, patients with hyperresponsiveness and lung disease, severity of asthma as well. So what the results showed was there was significant differences were observed in airway inflammatory markers, and that was one of the diagnostic tests that I performed. The highest results were actually in the hyperresponsiveness group, and this is actually a surprise and novel. Female patients also had a higher inflammatory marker than males, also novel. And actually, I was able to show that there was a significant allergy component to the patients linked to severity. So in conclusion, detailed classification significantly separates controls from subcategories of asthma and airway hyperresponsiveness. And the preliminary data shows that allergy status, inflammation, and gender differences are contributing factors to this study cohort. So the next step is actually to correlate the microbiome data, which has been shipped to Imperial College, where it will be processed and analysed, and correlated to the physiological profiles. And this is hoped that it will contribute to personalised medicine or targeted medicine. Thank you.
Thank you.